What a tragedy. A 14-foot diameter sequoia has succumbed to flames. Our dedicated crew spent 10 long hours over 2 days to fell this giant. It's a sad reminder of the destruction wildfires can wreak on nature's wonders. Cliffs of Colombia, a giant cedar reaches high toward the sky. The logger, like a resolute toy soldier, faces this giant. He pours his heart into every cut and crash. The tree falls, creating a shockwave in the air. Hey, do you see that guy up there with the saw? It looks like that tree is about to fall. Oh, no. I can't believe that was such a thrilling moment.
Yeah.
Thank God he's okay. Do you see that he's a professional logger? The Highlander HL 20-2 harvester is regarded as an invaluable asset in the forestry industry. It is outfitted with a powerful engine and has a secure grip on all types of terrain. Watching it effortlessly cut down timber, even on forested slopes, demonstrates its impressive capabilities. A 3-meter lumber cutting line with a sharp, multifunctional blade is an impressive piece of machinery. It efficiently slices through wood, transforming thick logs into soft, thin sheets. This precise cutting process highlights the innovative technology used in modern woodworking. Imagine this majestic cedar tree standing tall for 500 years. It takes a skilled team of loggers to fell it without harming the surrounding ecosystem. Just look at its gnarled trunk. It tells a story of resilience through the ages.
That's my bunt.
When it finally falls, the sight is absolutely breathtaking.
The lake is because we're on the steep side of the lake, and we couldn't get any equipment access to it, so we wanted to get as much of it in the water as we could.
This logging truck is clearly overburdened, struggling with logs that seem to exceed its capacity. It has reached a point where it must yield, resigning itself to defeat. This Tiger Cat wood harvester is not just a piece of equipment, it's a work of art in the forestry industry. With its robust structure and sophisticated design, it seems to bring perfection in every detail. Would you like to take it for a spin? Can you believe what we're seeing? That log looks like a giant serpent slithering down from the dense jungle. The machinery struggles valiantly, working hand in hand with the crew to safely haul it out. Share your thoughts below. Almost done slicing up that stunning shaggy bark oak. Just watch how the pieces glide effortlessly into position for plank cutting. This compact New Holland tractor is surprisingly powerful. There's no denying that the Logasol M8 represents a major leap forward in home woodworking. It doesn't just cut wood, it transforms the way we think about traditional craftsmanship. Truly a tool worth considering for every woodworking enthusiast. In the midst of thick snow, a truck loaded with tons of timber powers up. The engine's rumble isn't just sound, it's the pulse of determination as it conquers the climb. Imagine a wood chipper with an insatiable hunger. It's like a ravenous beast in the forest. 1 second, it's a solid log. The next, it's turned to mulch. It's fascinating to watch nature's toughest obstacles crumble before this machine. The challenging terrain is certainly testing the capabilities of the hauling vehicle. The tree trunk is hindered by a dense layer of foliage on the ground. What is your assessment? Can it succeed? If you need to handle tree stumps at home, let me introduce you to the Hurricane TRX stump grinder. It features a powerful 300 horsepower engine and can grind a stump in just 2 minutes. Isn't that impressive? For about $189,950, it can be yours. Utilizing a handheld chainsaw, a skilled lumberjack can efficiently fell large trees. As the trunk crashes down, he skillfully segments it into logs. Moreover, he employs a saw rig to facilitate on-site cuts, converting the timber into planks. This versatile tool exemplifies efficiency and innovation in the field of forestry. A powerful excavator is seen loading timber onto the robust Kenworth W900 amidst the beautiful hills of Washington. The strength and precision of this